Now the seats are all empty. Let the roadies take the stage. Pack it up and tear it down. They're the first to come and the last to leave, working for that minimum wage. They'll set it up in another town. Tonight the people were so fine. They waited there in line. But when they got up on their feet and made the show, that was sweet. But I could hear the sound of slamming doors and folding chairs. And that's a sound they'll never know. Roll them cases and lift them amps. Haul them trusses down and get them up them ramps. 'Cause when it comes to moving me, you know you guys are the champs. But when that last guitar's been packed away, you know that I still wanna play. So just make sure you've got it all set to go before you come for my piano. But the band's on the bus and they're ready to go. We've gotta drive all night into the show in Chicago or Detroit, I don't know. We do so many shows in a row, and these towns all look the same. We just pass the time in the hotel rooms and wander around backstage till those lights come up and we hear that crowd and we remember why we came. Now we've got country and western on the bus, R&B, we've got disco, and 8-tracks and cassettes and stereo. And we've got rural scenes and magazines, and we've got truckers on CB, and we've got Richard Pryor on the video. We've got time to think of the ones we love while the miles roll away. But the only time that seems too short is the time that we get to play. People, you've got the power over what we do. You can sit there and wait, or you can pull us through. Come along, sing the song. You know that you can't go wrong. 'Cause when that pouring sun comes beating down, you're gonna wake up in your town. but you'll be scheduled to appear 1,000 miles away from here. People stay just a little bit longer. We wanna play just a little bit longer. I think promoters don't mind, and the roadies don't mind, if you take a little time and you leave it all behind, saying one more song. Oh, won't you stay just a little bit longer? Please, 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 say you will, say you will. Oh, won't you stay just a little bit longer? Oh, please, please stay just a little bit more. Hey, hey, ooh. I think promoters don't mind, and the roadies don't mind, if you take a little time and you leave us all behind, saying one more song, yeah. Thank you all very much.